ahoy there. I'm up. Well. Hi. I'm just come out the church, and not allowed to take pictures in the church, which is understandable. So I really respect their ways. But yeah, I'm going up to the Boyana, I think Buda, I can't pronounce that, but yeah, I'm heading, I'll show you what it says, because I'm not very good at pronouncing things. That's where I'm going straight up there. It takes about 2 hours to get there to the waterfall. So apparently there's in Bulgaria there's wolves, boars, bears, and poisonous snakes. So I have to keep an eye on them. So wish me luck, and I'll show you the waterfall later. I'm just going to do a walk now, so that's where I am. I'm going to head up this way now. Right, and this is the waterfall I'm heading to, and there's 2 options. You've got all these arrows pointing up, and you've got the red one is straight up. I think somebody said the red one is the hardest because it's a straight up, and the green one's a bit easier, so you're sort of like a leisurely walk around, so you're still going up, but so you've got the green or the red. So I think I might take the red, depends how I feel. I shall see you later. Oh, and this is like you've got to be because it's quite slippery because of the sea. So I'll see you later. I'm gonna head up here. Right, walked all the way from the right down to the bottom, and we're here now. I'm here, and the waterfall, as it's signposted, just up this way, up that way. So I shall see you, and I think I might go into have a dippy in the waterfall. See you later. Oh, I have finally made it, and I'm absolutely knackered. Yeah, and here is the waterfall, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I think I'm going to have a shower. I'm going to probably go in there because I'm so hot. It's a hot day today, but at least the trees are sort of shady. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy myself. And I'll show you when I get there. I am actually knackered, but yeah, it is a beautiful place. So it's worth it. It's worth the struggle coming up. So I'll see you later. do a bit of that. All the way up. I absolutely love Bulgaria, everything about it. I love it.